Welcome to SuperEx, the world's first Web3 cryptocurrency trading platform. Complete the coin listing process in SuperEx Free Market in just 1 minute, deposit, trade, and receive 80% fee rebates. Step 1. Enter the contract address. Log in to the SuperEx website or app. Click Free Coin Listing to enter the Free Coin Listing page. Select the main chain and enter the contract address, then click Next. Enter the basic information of the token to complete the listing. Step 2. Make a deposit and trade. Click Wallets and select Free Market Account. Click Deposit and Withdraw to handle token deposits and withdrawals. Click Trade and select the Spot Free Market section. Search by contract address, token name, or creator name to choose the token you wish to trade. Currently, buyers enjoy 0% transaction fees. All users can obtain a market, making API, and participate in liquidity building. Step 3. View My Earnings. Click Free Coin Listing to enter the statistics page. View the trading pairs you listed and your weekly earnings. Trading pair listers can receive up to 80% of transaction fee rebates. Step 4. Free Market 2. 10-second coin listing, token security rating, token liquidity solutions, free activities. SuperEx will automatically upload token information by capturing on-chain data, eliminating the need for any manual input. SuperEx will partner with professional blockchain security teams to conduct security assessments of token smart contracts, including token liquidity rating, social media monitoring, comprehensive security ratings for tokens to help you quickly identify quality tokens. Token liquidity solutions. SuperEx will introduce an AMM mechanism. The token liquidity pool will be jointly maintained by trading pair listers and community members and will be visible to all traders. Token creators can independently create promotional events using activity templates to promote their tokens.